Pallets. Some people love them and some people hate them. But I've come to respect the humble pallet. Welcome to Steve Bell Creates. This video is sponsored by PCB. I'm going to transform these worn out, discarded pallets into beautiful outdoor tables. When starting this project, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't really feeling very good about myself. And I realised for me, this was a bit more than just a woodworking project. It was a powerful reminder that no matter how rough or worn out something appears, it holds the potential to become something wonderful. And I'm not just talking about me. I felt a bit like these old pallets, useless and sad, but I realised with some effort they could be transformed. I found it's the same with people and the opportunities that come along in our lives. Sometimes we just need to look below the surface and see the true potential that's hidden there. I'm thinking of the times and opportunities in my life that I've passed on, because they didn't appear valuable at first glance. So let's challenge ourselves and see the potential in everything around us. Cutting and sanding the wood is a bit like improving ourselves. Just as this wood needs to be cut to length, removing its imperfections, sanded smooth, and its rough edges rounded over, we too need to remove the rough edges and work on ourselves. This might mean letting go of bad habits, learning new skills, and constantly working to become better versions of ourselves. It's a continuous journey, but the result is always worth it. Each time we refine ourselves, we get closer to realising our true potential and find value in the overlooked and neglected. When I sat down to plan the tables, I wanted to create a modern, organic shaped table that would complement the chairs in the garden. I've found in life that having goals and a vision helps me stay focused and motivated. Whether building a table or chasing a dream, a good plan is essential. It's all about knowing what you want to create and, more importantly, how to get there. Without a plan, it's all too easy to get overwhelmed and lost. And believe me, I've been there many times in my life. In order to make the table, I'm going to use templates. Now, there are many ways to make templates. You can draw freehand using various rolls of tape and circles and join them up with straight lines. You could also print out your designs on some paper or cardboard and transfer them to your work. Then you could cut them out with a jigsaw or the bandsaw and sand them back to the line. I like to use the shape origin to make my templates. It gives great, accurate, repeatable results. Now, I know what you're thinking, Steve, I haven't got a CNC or a shape origin. Well, don't worry, because the sponsor of today's video, PCB Way, can be just what you need. PCB Way have a great, easy to use website. Not only are they known for their fast prototyping and making of PCBs, they also offer great services such as CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and even injection moulding. How good is that? All you've got to do is upload your files, choose your finishes, and they will make it for you and deliver it to your door. Plus, it's all backed up with great customer service. How cool is that? So thanks PCB Way for sponsoring today's video. Just as this table needs a sturdy base to stand firm, we need strong values and relationships to face the challenges that life throws at us. Think of the people in your life who support you and your principles that guide you. They are the foundation that allow you to build and grow. Without a solid base, neither this table nor our lives would stand the test of time. Have you ever turned something old into something new? If you have, share your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. For me, it's the small details, such as hand sanding and choosing the right finish, are what makes the table truly beautiful and durable. It's also true that in life, it's the small details that often make the biggest difference. Simple acts of kindness, like looking after our physical, mental, and emotional health. Taking the time to look after the little things in life can improve our overall well-being and happiness. Just as this table needs a protective finish, we too need to take care of ourselves and others in our lives to thrive. These finishing touches are what elevate the ordinary to the extraordinary. It's a reminder that paying attention to the small things can make a big difference in our lives and the lives of others. This table needs to be stable and strong to stand the test of time outdoors. In life, our values and relationships are our foundation. They provide the stability we need to build something lasting and meaningful. So, this is the table, transformed from old pallets into something beautiful and functional. This project reminds me that change is always possible. With creativity and effort, we can turn even the most unpromising situations into something beautiful and valuable. Remember, just like these pallets, we all have the potential for incredible transformation. I've learned so much about myself building this project. And I will continue to see the potential in the discarded and the beauty in the overlooked.